Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 35 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will talk about how to customize tag helpers. This is continuation to part 34, add specific tag helper without asterisk. So please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. Let's get back to Visual Studio. And this is the project which we are working with. First, we can customize the font and colorization of our tag helpers. If you look at ASP-append-version, it is of bold purple color. We can customize its font and color at our convenience. Let's see that. Let's go to Tools, then click on Options, and within Environment, click on Fonts and Colors. In the right panel, there is a collection of display items. Search for HTML Razor Tag Helper attribute. So here you can set font family, its size, its color also. If you want it to be bold or not, you can select that as well. Let's change the color to green and click on OK. See, color change from purple to green. Similarly, you can play with font family or other attribute settings. Simple, extremely simple. Let's go to the setting again. Scroll down and search for HTML. And you can see there is another option, HTML Razor Tag Helper Element. And by looking at the name, it feels like it will change the color of the element itself. Let's change its color to teal. Click OK. Oops, nothing happened. Let's go to Microsoft site to confirm if this setting is made for this purpose only. So, as per Microsoft, this setting is there for customizing the tag helper element font, but it doesn't change the color of image tag helper. So what's the reason behind it? Let's see that. Let's click on built-in tag helper from left panel, search for environment, and then click on it. Scroll down and copy this sample code. Paste it into our view and see color change to teal. Let's go to Microsoft site again and search for another tag helper, partial. Click on it, scroll down and copy the sample code. Paste it into our view and you can see color for partial HTML helper is also teal. So why it is working for some tag helper and ignoring other? The answer is in the setting wizard itself. I haven't found it on Microsoft site and I'm assuming the answer which I'm giving is correct. Let's go to setting again. Scroll down and search for HTML. And you can see there is another setting, HTML element name, and its color set to purple by default. Let's change it to gray and make it bold. Click OK and see, working as expected. So can you now guess why setting HTML Razor Tag Helper element not applied on image tag helper? Because both HTML element and HTML tag helper share the common name, and HTML element name setting override HTML Razor Tag Helper element setting. Simple, extremely simple. Let's take another example. Let's use anchor element, not tag helper. So a href is equal to hash, and that's it. So this is our HTML element. Now to make it anchor tag helper, we need to apply any attribute. So how many attribute anchor tag helper support? Let's see that. Let's go to Microsoft site. Click on Anchor tab from left panel. Scroll a bit and here Anchor tag helper attributes. So if I applied ASP-controller attribute, our normal HTML anchor tag element convert to anchor tag helper. Let's do that. Let's type ASP-controller and give it any name for now. See, color change for attribute only. And because tag is common, which is small a, anchor tag. Setting for HTML element override settings for HTML razor element. Simple, extremely simple. Let's move on. Let's go to our slide. Next concept is tag helper prefix. So as per definition, the tag helper prefix directive allows you to specify a tag prefix string to enable tag helper support and to make tag helper usage explicit. So if you want to force your element to follow particular prefix for tag helper, reason could be anything. Better readability is one of them. Then you can use them. Let's see that in action. Let's go to Visual Studio. At the top, type @tag helper prefix space th colon. So if you observe, the color of tag helper attribute along with tag helper element is changed. Now if we type th colon at the beginning, only then tag helper attribute will apply. So type th colon just before image tag helper. You can see color of attribute again change as per setting. Let's use the same with partial. Append th colon. See, color to tag helper element change to teal and color of attribute change to green. Simple, extremely simple. Also note the same hierarchy rules that applied to add tag helper also applied to add tag helper prefix. We already discussed the scope of add tag helper in our previous video. Alright then, that's it in this video. If you have any query related to the content of this video, do ask me in comments. Till then, thanks for watching.